Here is how to create a new user on your Mac. But before we do that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. So first, you're going to want to open up your system settings and then go over to users and groups. Here, you want to click on the lock to make changes and enter your password. Then, you will be able to make changes. From here, click on the plus button, and then you can choose the account type, enter your name, account name, password, verify the password, and then a password hint if you want. So let's just say I'm going to choose Dojo, and then I'll choose Dojo again. I'm just going to create a password, verify the password, and then I'll do a password hint. Then from here, I'm going to press on Create User. Then, as you can see, I have a new user created. I can reset the password, allow administrator, and then I can edit the picture that it chooses for me. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, and comment with any questions you have. I'll see you in the next video.